Today, I'd like to talk about NextGen Siem, one of the 20-plus apps that are plugged into the Stellar Cyber Open XDR platform. What's NextGen Siem? Well, if you've been using Siem for very long, you know that in the early versions it was nothing more than a log aggregation tool. So, if you're dealing with regulatory compliance, GDPR, PCI, where they tell you you have to get logged data, early Siem tools are great. The downside is you have all this data with no correlation, no context, no ability to ultimately derive value, hence the need for NextGen Siem. How does PBS PhantomWatch and Stellar Cyber fit into that mix? Well, our NextGen Siem is different. If you've watched any of our earlier videos, you see that we collect data differently. We detect it differently. We built some investigative capabilities and some threat hunting apps as well. On top of that, we've got a response mechanism. What makes us NextGen is all of that in a single platform. From a single interface, you have the ability to bring in your data, clean that data, make it better, give you the right data, run that through some very advanced detections that we talked a little bit about that we've built for you, and that through our threat hunting and investigative tool you can build for yourself. Ultimately, building reports that you can customize and automate and deliver in a multi-tenant environment. Early SIEMs weren't multi-tenant. Early SIEMs had terrible reporting. Early SIEMs just didn't provide a lot of value. They helped you check the box, but they didn't show you much. So, for us at PBS PhantomWatch and Stellar Cyber, we collect data pervasively. We give you visibility, pervasive visibility across your entire infrastructure. We do detections that are across the board, whether they're in the cloud, or in your Office 365 environment, or in your users. We give you investigative capability at the asset level. Again, all of this is part of our platform, our NextGen product. And finally, responding. Being able to set up queries that run when you're not in the office or when you don't have somebody behind the screen looking at the data, and not only run those queries, but take action. That's NextGen Siem. That's why we're different. To learn more, please visit our website or reach out to your PBS PhantomWatch consultant to schedule a demo.